Today I will teach you exercise 3.5 A part. Question number 1. The lowest common factor is LCM. So LCM you can find by two methods. First method is prime factorization method and second method is division method. Okay. Prime factorization you know very well कि SCF in SCF you did factorize the numbers. Okay, now question number 1, 24 and 36. So 24 we can write 20 factor of 24 here. See, 2 into 12, again 12 can be written 2 into 6, again 6 can be written 2 into 3. Okay, then 24 equal to, direct you write beta 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then 36 you factorize inside 2 into 18. Okay, 2 into 9, 18 can be written 2 into 9, 2 into 2, 9 can be written 3 into 3. Then 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So dear students, these common factors will write together. HCF, sorry, LCM. We are finding LCM. LCM, common factors will write together 2, but one time only, into 2 into 3, and remaining one time 2 into 3. Then 2 to the 4, 3 are 12, 2 are 24, 3 are 72. Okay, 72 is the LCM. Okay, again I am telling, common elements we have to write together once. Okay, one time here, 2 one time here, 3 one time, then remaining 2 and 3. Okay, this is the LCM. 15, 25, 30. So 15 can be written here. 15 can be written 3 into 5. So directly it is 3 into 5. 25 can be written 5 into 5. And 32 into 15. Again 15 can be written 3 into 5. Okay. So 15 can be written, sorry, 30 can be written 2 into 5 into 3, you can write this side, no problem. So 5 common. Why we are writing 5 downside here? Because 5 will come in one line. Okay, so LCM equal to, first common factor will write first. Okay, then 3 2 time, then 1 time you take 3 1 time. Okay, then 2, then 5. It is 5, 3 are 15, 2 are 30, 6 are 30, 5 are 150. Again 5 2 are 10, 3 are 30, 5 are 150. 150 is the LCM of all these numbers. Okay, this is the LCM. 20, we have to find the LCM of 20, 30, 50. Okay, then 20, factorize 20, 20 equal to 2 into 10, 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now 30, factorize 30, 2 into 15, then 2 into 15 can be written 3 into 5. Okay, 30 equal to 2 into 5 into 3, we can write like this. Why we are writing 3 this side? Because 5 will write together. Okay, then 50, factorize 50, 2 into 25, then 2, 25 can be written 5 into 5. Okay, then 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, now LCM, common factor we have to write once, then 2 into 5. Okay, remaining, see, no common, it is 2, not here, not here, okay, 2, single 2, here 3, but not here 3, then 3, then 5, then 2, 5s are 10, 2s are 20, 3s are 60, 65s are 300, okay, again 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 5s are 150, 2s are 300, 300 is the LCM. Part B, question number 1. Find the LCM by the short division method. What is the short division method? Dear student, will write like this: 30, then 55. Okay. Now we'll see this number. It is at last it is 0. Once it is 0, so it is divisible by 2, 5. Okay. First is by smallest number will divide. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. And 55 is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, so we will write it same. 55, it is not divisible by 2, so we will write it same. Now see, at last 5 5, 1 plus 5 6, it is divisible by 3 5s are 15, it is divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 55 like this, we will write it same. Okay. Now by 5 we will divide, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 is 11 are. Now only 11 left. 1s are means now it is only we have to find at last 1 1. Okay. Then LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, 11s are 330. Okay. Again I am telling you, you have to see this is even or odd. It is even with 0, so we have to divide first by 2. Then it is 15 and 55 is not divisible by 2, so we will write it same. Okay. Now it is 15, so it is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 55 is not divisible by 3, so we will write it same. Now by 5 1s are 5, 5 11s are 55. Now 11, so 1 1 should become at last. Then LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. Now 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, 11s are 330. This is the answer. Okay. Dear students, 10, 15, 25. Now we have to find the LCM of 10, 15 and 25. Now 10 divided by 2. Why? Because it is even number. It is divisible by 2. It doesn't matter and that every number should be divided by 2. Okay. So there is no issue whether all the numbers should be divided by 2. If any one number is divisible by 2, then we will divide. 2 5s are 10. Now 15. We will write it same. Now by 3 5s are 15. See, 3 5s are 15, 25. Now these are divisible by only 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1. Now we have to find at last 1, so again by 5, 1 1 5 1s are 5. Okay. Then LCM equal to, what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75, 2s are 150. This is the answer. Okay. B part, question number 10. We have to find the LCM of 21, 14 and 35. How? By short division method. 21, 14, 35. So we can divide it by 2. Why? Because it is even number. Large digit is 4 by 2. It is not divisible, so we will write it same. 2 7 ja 35. We will write it same. Why? Because it is not divisible by 2. Now 3 7 ja 21. Okay. 3 7 ja 21, then 7 35. Then by 5 we can divide. By 5 we can divide 35. 7 7 5 7 ja 35. Okay, dear students. 5 7 ja 35. 7 1 1 1. Okay. 7 1 ja 7 7 1 ja 7 7 1 ja. then LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 3 ja 6, 5 ja 30, 37 ja 210. This is the answer. Okay.